Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are making Florida breakfast potatoes with Florida bell peppers and bacon. This is a wonderful dish. It's gonna be perfect for breakfast. So these are little baby gold potatoes. So for this recipe, I've already pre-cooked them. We don't cook them from raw in the pan. We had to boil them first. And all this is on the recipe at followfreshfromflorida.com. So I hope you guys will check that out. So let's go ahead and get started. The first part of our recipe is get these Florida bell peppers cut. So let's go ahead and take our Florida bell peppers. I've got a couple green and red ones here. So what I like to do is with my pepper down on the board, I like to take my knife and go right down the side, and then I can take off this bottom one. Nice and easy, and that's left with just the seeds in here and a little bit around the outside. We're gonna do the same thing for our green pepper. All right, our peppers are cut and our pan is preheated and ready to go. I saved just a little bit of the bacon grease when I cooked my bacon earlier to cook in, so that's what I'm gonna use. Peppers are looking really good. So let's start to build our layers of flavor. I've got a little bit of thyme and some rosemary and a little bit of flat leaf parsley. I have my wonderful seasoning blend here. This is a really great one made here in the state of Florida, and it's got great flavor, it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding some of this. And let's take our potatoes. And remember, we have pre-cooked these potatoes so that they're just barely starting to get soft, so that all we really need to do is crisp them up in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and add these. Our potatoes, our peppers, and our seasoning and fresh herbs are in the pan cooking away. Well, let's go ahead and cut our bacon for this dish. So I'm just gonna take my knife and make some nice big bacon pieces to go in there. And let's go ahead and add our cut and pre-cooked bacon to the pan. And let's give it a nice stir. We can see some wonderful charring starting to happen on these potatoes. Okay, I'm liking the way our potatoes and peppers are looking. We got some nice charred bits, lots of flavor going on. So let's go ahead and finish up our dish. We just want to add the last little bit of some of the fresh herbs on here as well. We're gonna add a little bit of cheddar cheese to this and put it right in the oven. So the kitchen smells absolutely wonderful. I think our Florida breakfast potatoes are done. So let's take a peek. Wow, these look absolutely delicious. Our amazing Florida potatoes with our crispy Florida bell peppers and bacon. What a simple but really delicious side dish for our breakfast. We're serving this with a little bit of fresh from Florida eggs and of course our Florida grapefruit juice. This recipe is on followfreshfromflorida.com, so make sure to go check that out along with many other amazing recipes as well. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.